Hi, this is Jim, and we're going to look at some trades. VLO stock. This is the weekly chart. It looks like it's made a nice base here. This bar here was probably a breakout of the base, and now it's coming back to test the base here with a bull flag on the weekly chart. And I look for VLO to head higher from here. The 20 and 50 week moving averages should provide support for this bull flag, weekly bull flag. And the stochastics is crossed over to the downside, but that's okay because it's in a little correction here, and the stochastics, it went to overbought, and that means that the stock is probably strong on the weekly time frame. Now let's look at the daily chart of VLO. Okay, the 20 and 50 day moving average are going up, which shows the trend is up, and the 50-day moving average is a support area. Support is always an area, it's not an exact number, so it's okay that this has gone below the 50-day moving average a little bit. If it pops back up and closes above the 50-day moving average, that'll be a good sign. And the 14-day stochastics is oversold, and again, if this crosses back up to the upside, that signals the bottom may be in. So VLO is a good stock to keep a look at, keep an eye on. Q-Core, I put out a chart on my website of this stock, and it looks like Q-Core has made a cup with handle pattern on the daily chart, and it's breaking out. I'll have to go a little farther back to show you that. We'll go for a longer term chart here, and we'll see that a little better. Okay, Q-Core, here you can see this is probably a cup, and this could be the handle, and this could just be the breakout of the cup with handle. Or you could just look at it like a regular, just a base and a breakout. But either way, the 20 and the 50-day moving average are moving up, and the stochastics is moving up, and I think Q-Core is coming out of a base and is heading higher. Okay, we'll look at a couple forex. The AUD USD, I think, is at a major bottom. Again, we'll see how that plays out, but if it heads higher from here, I think a major bottom's in. Basically, it's been in a big correction, and it's made a bullish divergence. Let me see if I can get that to come up here. Okay, okay, here you can see the AUD USD has been going down, and the stochastics really hasn't put in a bullish divergence on this one, but it's just gone sideways as the this pair was going down, so that's considered a little bullish momentum divergence. And then now if it breaks higher from here, I think that will signal a low is in. The moving averages are down, but again, on a correction, they're going to be down. If this comes back up and starts closing above the moving averages, that will help confirm that a bottom's in. So I'm looking at the AUD USD to head higher from here. Again, if it breaks lower, then we'll have to take another look, but right now I think this is a good place to start looking to take buy signals. GBP USD, we're long this pair in my newsletter, premium newsletter. Again, we went long right on this bar here, right above this bar, and so we're kind of just at break even right now. We could have sold up here, but again, I think it's better to just hold. Now, if we get a break here in the GBP USD and it closes down here somewhere, I might get a sell signal, and then I might reverse and go short. But for right now, we're still long in this pair. The moving averages are up. The stochastics is down, but again, if the GBP USD heads higher from here, that will hook back up. So right now I'm still bullish on this. We're long and bullish, and again, if it moves down in this area somewhere, we would turn around and go short. I have no problem with doing that. That's just, that's just the trading. You just follow what the market's giving you. So, but right now I'm hanging in there long. Lean hogs, we went long lean hogs yesterday, and I think lean hogs have put in a bottom and will probably trade higher from here. Again, you can see on this bottom on lean hogs, here's the 14-day stochastics down on the bottom bottom chart here. Bar chart has this where you can put up two charts of the same thing and put on different indicators. So if you see these two charts sometimes and you wonder why does it have two charts, that's just something that bar chart does. So you can put different indicators up and see different things. On the moving averages on lean hogs, I wouldn't look at too much right now because again, when a market's putting in a bottom, the moving averages are going to be in a downtrend. So what I look more for when a commodity or stock or forex is at the bottom is I look more for like momentum oscillators. Now the 14-day stochastics made a bullish divergence and has crossed up, and it shows the momentum is up. So we went long right above Friday's high here, and I think lean hogs is going to continue higher from here. Now, you know, it could have a down day today or something. We got to stop down here somewhere, and we're just going to let this play out and see. I think this is going to be a good trade. Now gold, of course, that's the market everybody follows, and that's kind of what the general commodity market follows. Right now, I think gold has made a bottom. I think this bar was a washout day. It was a big bar down, and the stochastics made a bullish divergence. Whenever the stochastics is making a bullish divergence, you want to look for low. Again, gold could continue lower from here, but right now I'm expecting gold to trade higher, and I'm looking for a buy signal. Now, a close above about 1680. If it closes above 1680, which would be right in here somewhere, it wouldn't be above this pivot high. That's 1685, but basically a close above 1680 is a trend change area for me, and I would probably put out a buy signal in the premium letter for gold. Gold, we're going to start trading a trend following system in my premium commodity newsletter because I think gold's going to make some big moves this year, the rest of the year. And a trend following system, we're just going to go long or short. We're going to take trades with the system, whichever way gold gives us. And right now, the system is short, but I'm going to start it with a buy signal if we get one, and then take it from there in the trend following system. So right now I'm expecting gold to head higher, but again, if it breaks lower, that would kind of change my opinion. We'll have to take another look at it. So thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim with ProfitTrading.com.